of perfection?
Una po sa lahat, pwede pong pabawas. Hindi po ako kakanta.
Parang yung hininga mo pa lang, parang
ayan. Una po sa lahat, gusto ko po munang batiin ang lahat po nang nandito ngayon. Good afternoon po. I'm so happy and thankful that you are all here. Thank you all so much for making this day more memorable and more special. To answer your question, Ms. Janina Chan, perfection? Yes, perfection to execute my plan.
ay, ganon.
Ganon.
So, nasa strategy yung perfection. Gusto ko yun, ha? Hindi namin na na-expect yung sagot na yun. Yun na yun?
Yun na yun.
Period. Oo, kayo na daw mag-interpret. So, that is how Miss Barbie sees perfection. Perfection in executing your ideas, your plans. O, yes. Diba? Okay, at dahil dyan, may follow-up question ka. Hindi ka pa tapos, akala mo. Okay. Akala mo nag-period ka na. Okay, so you filmed some of the scenes ng Beauty Empire sa South Korea. Can you share with us some of your most favorite experiences filming there?
Ayun. Yung ano po, siguro yung second shoot namin doon. Nag-lunch break kami. Tapos meron lang kami 45 minutes para kumain.
Okay. Yes,
Siyempre, naghanap ako ng samgyeopsal. Oo, tapos nakalagay sa doon sa app, 10-minute walk.
Okay.
Habang kasama ko si Kylie, habang naglalakad kami, parang walang kahit na bakanting lote lang siya talaga. So, may temple area na siya, ganyan.
Nakapag-sightseeing ka na.
Pagdating namin dun sa area, abandoned na siya yan talaga. So, naging horror din talaga yung lunch break na yun. May stinger.
Diba?
So, yun yung pinaka-memorable. Alam niyo ba bakit? Kasi doon kami talaga naging close ni Kylie. Mas naging close. At doon ko masasabi, kalat-karan din talaga itong babaeng to. Kasi kahit hindi siya sure kung may makakainan talaga kami, sumasama siya talaga sa akin. Kaya maraming salamat talaga, Marco. Ayan, siya po.
Mic on for Kylie.
Yes, mic check.
Tama, yun din po yung sabi.
Yun na pala.
Copy-paste. So, nakakain ba kayo?
Nakakain ng tinapay. Doon na lang kasi yung mga sumunod na mga parang pastry shop na lang, kailangan na namin umalis.
Yes.
So, yun na nga, bread is the answer.
Okay. Grabe din yung 45 minutes for Samgyup, including the travel time,
Meron pa kami. Diyan pa sa baba? Hindi, parang hindi ata dyan sa baba. Bundok eh. Papunta doon.
Sige, Mari, puntahan natin.
Pagdating doon, ay wala.
Okay, very interesting. Well, at least meron kayong core memory together.
Yes,
ang daming, parang horror comedy. Yes. Okay. Sige, next naman. This is from Sir Ace Perez of Davao Media. This is for you, Kylie.
Oh my gosh.
So timely again na may mic ka na. Ayan. So, na-mention ni Barbie sa isang interview niya na masaya siya na kasama ka niya. Alam mo ba yun? Sabay gano'n. Okay, confirm that masaya naman siya. Ikaw daw, masaya ka ba daw? No, but I guess the context is, kasi you guys are really friends, diba? So, ano yung pakiramdam working with a close friend in this series?
Actually, aaminin ko na po.
Ayan. May ganon.
Pinag-plastic ko lang ito. Talaga.
Yun na yung iaano nilang clip.
Talaga kay Tita Rose, yan yun.
Ayan na yun. Kilala na nila yung sinong magaling mag-edit ng
Siyempre,
pangit naman ang image niya.
Siyempre, isang karangalan na makatrabaho talaga si Barbie. Sinasabi ko nga na...
Okay, sabihin mo sa kanya.
Isang karangalan na makatrabaho ka, Mare. Alam mo yan, kailangan yung mga... Dito kayong dalawa. Hindi, isang karangalan talaga. Kasi ever since na pumasok po ako sa GMA, si Barbie talaga yung gusto kong makatrabaho. Kasi napakagaling niya, napakabait niya rin, at grabe mag-alaga, hindi ba sa... Sa set. Grabe mag-alaga sa set.
May kurot agad sa Barbie.
May kurot sa akin.
Strike one.
So, ayun. And honestly, every time na nakaka-eksena ko siya, even though close na talaga kami off-cam, may onting minig sa, bibig, na parang, shocks, ayan na siya, tinitingnan niya na ako. Hindi mangangain siya. Ang dami.
May ganon. Actually, here, para mas klaro, ito daw what are the advantages and disadvantages of working with such a close friend? May ganun ba?
The disadvantage?
What? Inuna niya yung disadvantages.
Yeah. Actually, siguro yung hindi siya disadvantage.
Ay, galing sumagot.
Well, actually, walang disadvantage. Doon lang tayo sa mga advantages.
Yes.
Alam niyo na yung isa't isa, pwede mabilis manghingi ng tulong, ramdam niyo yung energy ng isa't isa. Kung may nagukulang man, pupunuan ng isa.
I love it. Para kayong may therapy session, ha?
Yes.
Diba? I love that.
May therapy sessions din ko.
I'm sure. Ang chikahan sa antayan ng taping, no?
Hindi, pag walang signal, usually kasi sa set namin, wala talagang signal. So, open forum kami every single
Open forum. Parang may live podcast session. I love that. Oh, I love that for you guys. Yung pinaka-disadvantage niya, yung hinataka niya sa samgyup na wala.
Actually, hindi yung disadvantage.
Hindi, masaya pa rin.
Masaya.
Oh, I love that. Ang galing talaga. Oh, guys. Iba ka talaga. Okay, ito naman. One more question for you, Kylene. Sa serye, ang karakter ni Rufa, hello Rufi, ang iyong mentor. So for sure, marami ka rin natutunan sa kanya while doing Beauty Empire. So what are some of these things na you've learned from Miss Rufa that really stood out for you as an artist?
As an artist or as a person? As an artist?
Everything. Lahat na.
Actually, mag-a-apply din naman siya sa, professionally and personally. Always choose yourself. Yun yung lagi sinasabi sa akin.
Always
hindi lang
choose.
sa akin, pero sa amin dalawa ni Barbie ni Miss Rufa. Nadadamay ako dito.
So be selective, parang ganon. Yes.
Always choose yourself.
Yourself.
Yes,
Okay.
always choose yourself.
Always
Ikaw muna bago yung ibang tao.
Oh, I love that. Prioritize yourself. Self-love is the most beautiful thing.
Every time you get lost, hanapin mo yung sarili.
Oh, I love that. Sarap naman maging mentor ni Miss Rufa.
Kasi si Miss Rufa, lagi siya pumapasok talaga sa tent namin. Magulat na lang kami, Miss Rufa.
So cute. I love that, of course. And speaking of which, the next few questions are for you, Mr. Gutierrez Journal. So he asks, after 21 years, you are returning to do a project with the GMA through Beauty Empire. How does it feel na muli ka nang nagbabalik sa Kapuso Network?
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat, and I'm so happy to be back here in GMA after actually 21 or 22 years. Hello, Miss Annette, sa lahat ng mga bosses, hi. Well, I think I've come full circle because I started my career with GMA. So that's entertainment. I was only 14 years old.
Oh my gosh!
Yes, and now I'm not saying how old I am. Pero 21 or 22 years later, I'm back here for Beauty Empire. So it's such an honor that Miss Annette, GMA, and of course the News and Public Affairs got me to be a leading lady in this project. And of course, Creation and View as well. Maraming salamat. It's such a joy to work with everyone on the set.
Oh, I love that. Siyempre, iba talaga. Pag andyan ang presence ni Miss Rufa, di ba? Di ba? Kahit may ring light patay na siya na may ring light, ang ganda pa rin. Walang pores. Okay, so we have another question, follow-up question. So, for you, the beauty industry can often be perceived as glamorous and superficial. As a beauty queen yourself, and now that you're doing Beauty Empire, do you have any interesting insights to share about in the beauty industry?
Well, I think more and more people are aware of taking care of themselves, their skin, and just beauty in general. Because of social media, lahat tayo gusto magpaganda.
Yes.
Pero hindi lang sa panlabas na anyo, dapat panloob din. Diba? Para sa akin yun ang pinakamaganda na beauty is power and beauty is whatever you want it to be. So it really depends on you. For me, I think it's really important that we give out kindness, generosity, and just be our authentic true self.
Oh, I love that. Coming from one of the kindest people here in the industry, di ba? Di ba? Thank you so much for those answers, Rufa. And now we're moving on to another question. This time naman, galing kay Miss Eka Abaya of GMA International. This time, para naman kay Direk. Yes.